today we're putting on this 8420 hood on this tractor. Customer brought it in asking for a new hood because the old one's cracked out and just falling apart. So we got everything swapped over to this new one. We're going to throw it on. Let's get to it. So a little update. As y'all saw, we got the hood put on the tractor, but we had an issue where it lifted a little crooked, so it wasn't lining up right. So we had a problem getting this latch pin in, driven across there. Still need to tighten that up. We got the the back of the hood bolted, so now it's unhooked. So now we just need to put these side shields back in. I'm waiting on a couple more screws for the light assembly, and then we'll glue this so it sticks on there correctly. Other than that, that's pretty much all that's left for the hood. Finish it up and get it going. Hey everybody, as you saw, we got that hood put back on. Now we're out test driving an 8R230. This one got struck by lightning a couple months back. I've been kind of piecing it back together, just diagnosing all the CAN bus issues, but right now we're out making sure everything's working properly. So far it's looking really good. Running it through all the gears, all the engine RPM. It's really bumpy out on this county road. This doesn't have the independent link, the ILS, the independent link suspension, so it's a little rougher than that other one. It's just got a straight axle in the front, but yeah, we're just out cruising around. But I'll get another time lapse going here of us test driving it, so it's time for a time lapse and some music. Hey guys, just here to close out the video. Just a quick little video here today, just showing you kind of what's been going on the last couple days, and well, kind of into last week and today. Anyways, yeah, just a hood replacement and then wrapping up that lightning strike tractor I had. Nothing super busy or super hard or crazy, but just thought I'd show y'all what I'd been working on. But got some more content coming for y'all hopefully. But make sure you give this video a like, leave a comment if you got something else you'd like to see or something you'd like to know. But until then, we'll see you next time.